Quick, what's the correct pixel size for a LinkedIn cover photo? An Instagram post? A WhatsApp status image? Nobody remembers all three, and guessing wrong means a stretched, blurry post. That's exactly what Vyroq's brand kit was built to solve. From the brand kit page, click the social media tab. Under channels, tick off LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and X, whichever ones your brand actually lives on. Click Generate. Behind the scenes, Vyroq looks up each platform's official dimensions and composes a matching profile image, cover, and post. All on brand, all correctly sized, no manual cropping in sight. Give it a moment. 4 or more channels means Vyroq warns you it'll take a few extra minutes, generating each image one at a time for quality. Your results land grouped by platform, so you instantly know what belongs where. Download each asset straight from its card. Want a different mode? Drop a note in the refine box and click Regenerate. Same channels, refresh to your direction. Every platform, every size, exactly right the first time. Start yours free at vyroqi.com. No credit card and a 14-day money-back guarantee.